Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the AMC8 competition preparation. This is the first video of the course. Let's begin. This question will help you greatly in the AMC8. The multiples of 3 are arranged as shown below. You can have a look at the table. Now to start with, we identify multiples of 3 going along this way, going down, and so on, following my cursor. Now, in columns 2 and columns 4, we see that only even numbers show up. Now, hopefully you have caught me here. The question is, I did not read the question to see if you're paying attention, okay? The question is 1992 in this table? Well, it is, right? Because it's a multiple of 3. But is it in column 1, 2, 3, or 4? So which column is 1992 in is the question. Now let's get back. Column 2 and column 4, of course, have even multiples of 3. Therefore, 1992 is in 2 or 4. Now let's see what other patterns we can find. Whoops, this is not erasing, but it's fine. I'll keep it there. So, what you might have noticed is that in columns 1 and 4, they contain the first, 4th, then the 7th, then the 10th, then the 13th multiple of 3. And this is a pattern. Especially, this pattern is described as, wait, I will show you now. We can ignore the first one, really, for simplicity. And now we have a formula. Whoopsies, apologies, this is incorrect. Since the difference is 3, we have 3 times n minus 1. And of course, we start off with a 4. So we can definitely simplify this. But we'll stick to this for now. Now, as you can see, this should be equal to 1992 divided by 3, right? Because this is finding which multiple of 3. Let's check which multiple of 3 1992 really is. Dividing by 3, we get 664. You may check that calculation now. Just in case I'm incorrect, I am going to check it with a calculator. It is correct indeed. So now we can set this equal to 664 and solve for n. Simply, all we have to do now is, of course, minus 4 on both sides. Yes. 3 times n minus 1 is equal to 660. Next, divide by 3. N minus 1 is indeed equal to 660 divided by 3, which is equal to 220. So n is equal to 221. Now, as you can see, it indeed does satisfy our original statement that it's either in 2 or 4. And also now, 1992 is indeed one of these. Now, since it has to be either 2 or 4 and 1 or 4, that means it has to be in 4. And that is an amazing conclusion to this problem. And the answer is indeed column 4. Thank you.